The National Recreation and Wellness Program, a program under the Ministry of Sports and National Recreation. We are blending culture with active life so that the general community, the general public will have a healthy life. That is the focus, the agenda of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, so that Ghanaians in general will have an active and a healthy life. Over the years, in fact, 2022 statistics indicates that more than 45% of deaths recorded in Ghana are caused by non-communicable diseases. And so we have to find a way of promoting healthy life or active life in order to eradicate or reduce non-communicable diseases to the barest minimum. So today, if we are in the community of Keta celebrating Hogbetsotso with the people of Anlo State, then the focus or the purpose is to promote active lifestyle that will obviously lead to a healthy life for the people of Ogbe or the people of Anlo. We are yet to launch the National Recreation and Wellness Program as a whole, but this is not our first. We've had our first teaser at GHOne, which happened on the 22nd of September, commemorating His Excellency Dr. Kwame Nkrumah's Day at GHOne. It was a wonderful program. It was a teaser, more of a pilot, to indicate to Ghanaians what the National Recreation stands for or the purpose for which it has been initiated. So national recreation in general is focusing on all sporting activities that are not professional or elite games. So we are promoting the indigenous games. We are looking at football, hoping to use the same opportunity to harness talent. We are looking at Ludu or Ware Dame. We are having a lot of fun. We are doing the flip and pick as well. We are doing the throw and pick as well. It's a way of rehabilitating the people in general and promoting good and great mental health. So it's not just in a way of being active, but also having a great mental health within our communities. So we believe that whilst national recreation is in effect, the general people of Ghana will be active. In effect, we are promoting wellness, we are promoting healthy lifestyle, and so it will go a long way to increase performances of the individual at your workplace, at your homes. When you are not sick, you are well. That is when you become more effective and more efficient. Again, we are hoping that with the introduction of national recreation and wellness, it will go a long way to reduce the health bill of the country, as well as eradicate, or better still, reduce the rate at which non-communicable disease is consuming the general public of Ghana.
In fact, we are excited for this because of this partnership. Recreation, like we all know, is an essential part of our life. As humans, we must be able to have time to be able to exercise and keep fit. So the partnership with the Ministry of Recreation and Sports is a very laudable one, where we are trying to get a lot of people to be active in the period of Hogbetsotso so that they will participate in indoor activities and the health work. So we are very much excited about this partnership, and the rationale is basically to keep people fit and to be able to be healthy, to live a sustainable life. The health work is another one. In fact, after the health work, we did a little bit of aerobics exercise that is essentially able, the essence is for us to be able to keep our mind, heart and body in shape. Then there is a lot of draft going on. There is a lot of, in fact, the draft is basically to exercise on mind and be able to make and predict somebody's move. There is cards playing on. All these activities are aimed at shaping and ensuring that the body is kept fit and healthy.
So as part of our program, we do recreation and wellness. So the wellness bit of it, we try as much as possible to do some medical screenings, and we also try as much as possible to also give some health talks, and we provide ambulance services to cover most of our programs. So all this is just to bring people out to do some recreational activities, because we realize that recreation is linked to wellness. So once you are doing recreation, your physical health, your mental health, your social well-being will all improve. And this will all go a long way to help in increasing productivity in Ghana. So the initiative, which is under the Ministry of Youth and Sports, under the leadership of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. So they put this together so that now the ministry, instead of just concentrating on the sports bit, brings all Ghanaians along so that we all involve ourselves in these recreational activities that in a long way will keep us very active. And once we are very active, we are very productive. It will also go a long way to decrease the healthcare cost to government, because once people are out here and they are exercising, they are fit, it will reduce the rate at which we are sick and we have to report to the hospital. And when we get to our various workspaces, then our productivity increases.